What are the other dogs doing when he's doing this? Anything?
Oh, sometimes watching. Like, boy, are you going to get it?
Yeah, no kidding. Boy, you don't know what you're getting into. Oh, that's funny.
So, he's quite the entertaining little boy, I'll tell you.
It sounds like it. I can't wait to see him.
He reminds me of Angie when she was little.
Oh, God, really?
Remember how busy Angie was all the time?
She was always just so busy, wasn't she?
Oh, very busy.
Yeah.
Always putting on shows and wanted to be
Yes.
the center of attention, and her shows had no meaning to it. It's just whatever she looked at around the room.
Yeah.
Do you get the commercial? I don't even remember what the commercial's for, but it's a dad putting like a little 3-year-old or 4-year-old kid in the back seat in a van, and she's telling him something,